watch. Ready? Go for a ride. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Looking at this, I think it's going to be more than one load. All right, well, looking at this, I'm going to say minimum of 3 more loads and probably 4. So that's where we're at, but just trying to, this whole turn here where you see the ruts, The rest of this has held up fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I think between Dave and I, cut the corner too tightly, and that's why this is in this condition here. But with getting the stone in here and laying the stone in heavy, I think it's going to make all the difference in the world. So at least, probably 4 loads at least is my guess. Looking at it, 3, like the next one should only get us up to about this level if we fill in that. And like I said, I'm going heavy on it because I want to make sure that this is done well, and then I'll work back from there. But yeah, probably at least 4 more loads is my guess, and so that'll keep me out of trouble. But we'll get this squared away, and it'll look better, and it'll be, before everybody gets here, I wanted to make sure that this was more squared away. I may do 5 loads just to make sure, but anyway, this was my first project as far as road work goes. There's a lot of other farther down. Now through here you can see this is in pretty good shape. Last year that low dip area was pretty messy, but as you get into the woods, there's obviously more work to be done there. But I'm just going to try to, like I said, this was my first thing that I wanted to hit and take care of before everybody got back up here. But I was cleaning today, and so I did clean the get over here. I cleaned my bedroom and I cleaned the bathroom completely, shower and everything, and I hadn't touched that shower since I got down here. So that's been 2 years. So it's been a while since I did any cleaning. I told Steve, I said, if it needs it or not, it's getting a thorough cleaning every 3 years. But so got the bathroom and the bedroom is done. Looks way better, much neater, cleaner, all that good stuff. I wanted to do this for a while because the weather was decent, and so I'm going to continue on with this. But yeah, I'm going to just do what I can and get done what I can get done, and then I'm going to go back in a little bit later and work on cleaning some more. It depends on how much energy I have, how many loads I feel like doing today. I feel pretty good. The weather is absolutely beautiful. We're in the, I think we're in the 60s today. So, you know, getting that natural vitamin D and enjoying the weather and getting outside and getting some things squared away and taken care of. And that's what it's all about, slow and steady. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off of here for now. Today's actually the 3rd. I screwed up. I said in my first video that I did today, I said it was the 4th. You're going to see this video on the 4th at 3 o'clock. So, you know, that's where we're at with that. Once I do a few more loads, I may do another video and show you what I got accomplished. But, you know, this is a good way to do it. You're not killing yourself realistically. And so, you know, put it in the 5-gallon buckets, bring it down, haul them out, put them where you want them, and, you know, good to go. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off for now. Remember, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we're going to be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Set realistic goals, folks, and then set about to making them happen. The realistic goal today is to get this squared away. That's a realistic goal, and I will tell you right now, it will get done today. So that's you know, that's part of it. That's all you got to do. So I will see you all later. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.